So you're going to be using SJSU's OneSearch basic search. So you're going to use basic keywords. You're going to input those keywords here. For example, I have grant funding in libraries. When you are here, you can go to the drop down and select to find your inquiry using the San Jose State Collections. Let me do that again. Grant funding in libraries. So San Jose State Collection is going to be this one right here. You can't see it. You can search using California State University collections, articles, or scholar works and digital collections. You can also search using limiters. And the first limiter is A-N-D. This specifies the results to both terms. So we're going to look for celiac and disease. And you can perform your search that way. You can search using the limiter OR, and these are going to have to be in capitals, so you can search for cat or dog. Or you can search using quotation marks. So this would specify the exact phrase results. So quotation, coronavirus, and breakthrough. And that would find those search inquiries. You can also search using the limiter NOT, N-O-T, in capital letters to eliminate any relevant search terms or similar terms to be excluded from your search results. So this would be Mexico, not Mexico City.